Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I received an email. I'll read it to you. It says, "Greetings, Geo. Of all your YouTube videos, you never used the TOBS Sandalwood Aftershave Splash. Could you, in a future video, feature that splash as an aftershave? After all, summer is approaching, hopefully, and balm season would be over." Amen to that. From your mouth to God's ears, right? Because I read that in Chicago, we've had 1 day of sunshine in the previous 42 days. Isn't that great? More like Seattle than Chicago, I think, lately. Let's carry on. I digress. Perhaps you could use the R41 GRANDE. Just a thought. With regards, Taker. Taker's been a great friend for a long time. He's been with us for a good long while and leaves some nice comments. But I did see his review on the product, on the TOBS Sandalwood Aftershave Lotion. He said, "Oh, hell yeah. Fuck Ralph Lauren and all that rich man sense. TOBS Sandalwood, enough said. I got this the next day. You the man, Geo." Well, I like that review. That's a good one. Tell us what you really think, right? So I will take up Taker on his request. And I'll do one step further than that. Instead of just using the R41 GRANDE, which is right here, and here it is, by the way, next to the standard R41. So if you have big hands, you're a bigger dude, or a bigger person, I should say, and you prefer longer handle, more substantial, you want to go with the R41 GRANDE. If you're okay with the smaller version, there it is. But you can see the difference, sizable difference. I always prefer the longer and the thicker handle. It just feels better in my hand. That works for me. I will take Taker up on his suggestion here, and I'll go one step further. Not only will I use the R41 GRANDE, I'll make it a complete TOBS Sandalwood shave. Since there are so many TOBS Sandalwood items, and we love them, I will use the TOBS Sandalwood pre-shave oil, and then I will use the TOBS Sandalwood shaving cream, lathered up in the Shave Nation yellow bowl. The bowl also comes in black, red, blue, white, pink, green, if you want different colors. And I will finish it up with the TOBS Sandalwood Moisturizing Cream. It's still a bit cold today. And then on top of that, the icing on the cake, or the icing on the shave, I should say, TOBS Sandalwood Aftershave Lotion. And I will use, instead of using a beloved feather blade today, I will use a Kai right here. So let's open up this razor, this R41 GRANDE, and let's grab the Kai blade. Here's what it looks like in the paper, and that's the blade itself. And to me, no markings whatsoever. Kind of irritating. I feel like they should put some kind of a marking on there. When you have that situation, it makes it too easy to counterfeit. I feel like they should put their logo on there. Put Kai on that blade. So just reassemble. And the blade reveal, no doubt. There's never a problem with these razors. These Mueller razors, they're like clockwork. So it's loaded up. The blade reveal is perfectly even on both sides. There is about, a skinch, maybe less than a millimeter of tab hanging out on the side here. If you can see that, it's just very slight. Just enough for you to grab it, which makes it easy to remove from the razor, which I'm okay with that. It's fine. But the razor, it's got really nice knurling on the handle, and it's a smooth band up on top. And then down at the bottom, another smooth band, and it says Mueller around the band twice. It's laser inscribed. The bottom is smooth as well. And you can see the teeth. If you're not careful, they might bite you a little bit. So just take your time with the razor. It's a little bit heftier. Let the weight of the razor do the work. I'll post the specs on the razor right up here so you can see them. I think I've got a pretty worthy beard growth today, so we can see how quickly this R41 GRANDE will remove it. I'm going to warm up my face, and we'll get right into the pre-shave, the shave, and then the aftershave. All right, I've warmed up my face. I'm going to fill up my cup with some hot water. The brush I'm using is the Shave Nation Hot Lava Fine Badger Shaving Brush. Here's what it looks like dry. Saturate it. That's what it looks like when it's wet. Still holds together pretty good. It's a nice tight dense knot with a short loft. So if you don't like your brushes to flop over, this will be perfect for you. Also comes in about 13 other different colors, handle colors, which are really cool looking handle colors. Let that soak for a minute. Shave Nation bowl. I'm going with the yellow to match everything else. Tobs is pretty much yellow. Warm it up under the hot water. This is not going to be a quick video, by the way. Alright, Tobs sandalwood. Pop the cap on that. Got my little mini lather spoon right here. I'm going to scoop out. Look at that much right there. Just like a thumbnail curling out, like you do with your pomade. That's what it looks like, right? Drop that down right into the cup. There it is. Remove the brush from the water. Give it a couple shakes. Pour out that water. And we'll go right in here, see if we can mix a lather. Just push the tips right down into that lather spot. Oh man, I just love that scent. Tobs sandalwood. I've been using it for 11 years at least. It's just one of my all-time faves. And you can see why. Look at how quickly. 30 seconds. I'm not even using distilled water. I'm just using good old Chicago tap water. Man, look at that. Can't even control it. It's out of control. Crazy. Smells so good. Look at that. Dang. Look how much lather. Nice peaks. All right, that was quick. I'm going to splash a little more hot water on my face, then get my shave on. Okay, here we go. Tobs sandalwood pre-shave oil. There's a look at it. Just pop the cap on that. Doesn't take much, just a very little bit right in the fingertips. And massage that right into the beard. Anything that you can put on prior to your shave as a pre-shave to soften the beard before you apply your shaving cream will really help. A little bit more, another drop. Make it real slick. Okay, done with the pre-shave. Set that off to the side. Now we'll pick up our copious amounts of lather right here. Look at that. Beautiful. And we will lather up. Look at those peaks. Apply your shaving cream. Starting on the right, move to the left. You can dab it. You can swirl it. You can paint it. Whatever pleases you. As long as you apply the shaving cream to all the areas you intend to shave, you're good to go. Mustache. Nice short loft on this brush. You can direct that shaving cream exactly where you want it to go. Drive it into the beard. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Right into the bowl. Thumb swipe. Neck swipe. And clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. The Mula R41 Grande and the Tobs Sandalwood Aftershave. That's what was in the request, but we're taking it a little bit further. Temper the razor under the cold water. Here we go. Start on the right side. Find your angle. This is an aggressive razor. Just apply it to the skin gently. Take your time. Let the razor do the work. That side's filled. Lots of stubble. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. We'll go right down the neckline. Very good. Rinse that. Both sides are filled. Lots of stubble going down the drain. Okay, left side. Proper angle is where the top cap, safety bar, and base plate all meet. Lots of stubble there. Let's flip it over. Excellent. Rinse that. Rinses out very easily. Now under the nose, just scoop right under. Very good. First pass complete. We'll rinse this. Cold water rinse. Warm water rinse on the face. Whew. Check it. One pass complete. I could actually stop right here and I'd be presentable for sure. Look at that. But let's do one more, just for the fun of it. We can't stop that quick. Not after all this work. Just a light coating this time. Figure 8. Set that down. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Clear the runways. Alright, first pass with the grain, north to south. Now I'll go across the grain. Temper the razor under cold water. Here we go. Right across. Just take your time. Backhand. Cleft. You can see that it does leave the grooves between the teeth. The shaving cream, it still slides through. Let's rinse that. Against the grain on the neck. The cold water feels really good when you rinse the razor with cold water and apply that cold to the face. I used to not like it, but I love it. It'll be really nice in the summer to do that. All right, across the mustache, just start with the tip right under the nose. Clean that and then lay it flat. Other side. Little cleanup. All right, that's it. Beautiful. Let's rinse the razor. Final rinse. I like to hit the face with a final rinse of hot water and then cold water. Whew, baby, that was a beautiful shave. Check it out. Cheeks, perfectly smooth. Mustache, chin, neck. 2 passes. Beard gone. Let's pat the face dry. Tell me now, what came first, the chicken or the egg? Sandalwood Luxury Moisturizing Cream or the aftershave lotion? I have a whole video devoted to that. You can check it out. I'll put a link up there. But I like to put the cream first. A little bit in the fingertips right there. Massage that together. And then right into the skin. Gives you some protection. It's still cold out, otherwise I would just go right to the splash. But I like to put the balm on first, the cream. Forehead too. And then rinse the fingers and let that balm dry a little bit. Just make sure it's soaked into the skin. Take your towel. Make sure it's nice and dry. Then T.O.B.S. Sandalwood Aftershave Lotion. A few drops in the fingers. Massage that. Right into the skin. All these scents, they do layer up on top of each other. They smell the same. So they're made for layering up from the pre-shave to the shave to the aftershave. And you could even take it a step further. Bar soap, Sandalwood, T.O.B.S. Sandalwood bar soap, we have that too. So that's it. Fantastic shave, super close as you can see. 2 passes. I could have gone a lot faster, but with this razor, you just take your time, enjoy the shave, and it will remove it in 2 passes where you might take 3 or 4 with another razor. Very aggressive shaving. The Mula R41 Grande. Also comes in a twist. Here's the twist right here. The twist is a 2-piece razor. The R41 Grande is a 3-piece razor. I'll show you the twist real quick just so you can see it. You just spin that little knob at the bottom. Boom, comes apart. 2 pieces. Another brilliant close shave in the books. The R41 Grande. Excellent shave provided. This razor feels great in the hand. Nice and hefty and aggressive. If you don't want to mess around with your shave, 2 passes, you're done. Other razors, 3 or 4 passes on the beard that I had today. So, nice and quick. Taker, I was very happy to take you up on this shave, the R41 Grande and the Tobs Sandalwood Aftershave Lotion, but was happy to take it one step further using the full-on Tobs Sandalwood shave. From the pre-shave to the shaving cream to the Sandalwood Luxury Moisturizing Cream and the icing on the cake, or the icing on the shave, the Tobs Sandalwood Aftershave Lotion. I was so excited and got such a close shave, I forgot to use my Shave Nation Wide Stick Allen Block. Didn't even break it out today. So we'll use that in the next shave, if you missed that. I will say, the Kai blade, got to put it right up there with the feather. As you saw, no problem. It removed my beard, just mowed right through it. 2 passes, look at. No nicks, no cuts, nice and smooth. I'm very happy with the shave. If you want to grab any of these items, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. Please do me a favor before I head out. Smash that subscribe button down there and then ring the bell. Ring that bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. If you enjoyed this video, please check out some of my 450 other shaving videos and some other things thrown in there too. And share the love of wet shaving with your friends. Don't be shy. Pass it along to somebody else. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.